If anti-aging creams actually worked the way they claim, you wouldn't still be looking for answers. So let's stop pretending. There is one ingredient that actually reverses aging, and 5 products that decide whether it works or quietly destroys your skin. I've tested aggressive routines, I've overused actives, and I have ignored my skin barrier, and I paid for it. What I've learned is this: anti-aging isn't about doing more. It's about supporting regeneration. In this video, I'm showing you the only proven anti-aging ingredient, prescription Retin-A, and the 5 products that decide whether it works or quietly destroys your skin. Here's the part that no one explains clearly. Anti-aging is not caused by a lack of products. Is caused by the skin slowly losing its ability to regenerate. As we age, 3 critical systems weaken. Cell turnover slows, so dead cells linger. Collagen breaks down, so skin loses structure. And the barrier weakens, so skin stays inflamed. Most anti-aging routines only target one of these. That's why you see temporary results, irritation, or nothing at all. And here's the part that matters most. Chronic irritation ages your skin faster than time. Prescription Retin-A is the gold standard in anti-aging, is the one ingredient consistently proven to change how the skin behaves as it ages. It works by accelerating cell turnover, by stimulating collagen, and by forcing the skin to regenerate faster than what it would normally would. That's why it works. But here's the part most women are never told. After 40, skin doesn't recover the same way. Estrogen declines, skin becomes thinner, collagen production slows, and healing takes longer than it used to. So when women start Retin-A, they do what makes sense. They use too much, too often, too soon. Their skin peels, their skin burns, they panic. And this is the moment most women reach a crossroads. They either stop and assume Retin-A wasn't for them, or they push through and quietly damage their skin barrier. But Retin-A didn't fail you. The routine failed to support what Retin-A was asking your skin to do. That's why anti-aging only works as a system. Here's how I actually built my anti-aging system. Every product you're about to see has one job. No overlap, no guessing. Structure supports thinning skin. Intervention steps in when skin is depleted. Signaling tells skin how to repair. Protection prevents breakdown. Maintenance keeps everything stable. This is how Retin-A works with your skin, not against it. The first thing anti-aging skin needs is structure. This is the Lavienne Professional Collagen Program. This is not about surface hydration. As we age, collagen doesn't just decrease. The framework that holds skin firm collapses. That's when skin starts to feel thin, even if it's hydrated. Retin-A stimulates collagen, but stimulation without structure leads to fragile skin. This is what I use to reinforce skin on recovery nights. Next comes intervention for when skin needs more than support. Sometimes structure is not enough. This is when I bring in the Lavienne Collagen Ampoule Program. As your skin thins out, elasticity is usually the first thing to go. This is designed to replenish collagen quickly when your skin feels depleted. Not dry, depleted. Retin-A pushes regeneration. This step is for when your skin needs reinforcement, so progress doesn't turn into irritation. I use this selectively after travel, stress, or stronger weeks on Retin-A. Next comes signaling, telling your skin how to repair. Support and intervention matter, but skin still needs instruction. This is the Lavienne multipeptide EGF cream. This isn't just moisture, it's signaling. Peptides tell your skin how to behave. They signal your skin to repair. They signal your skin firmness. They tell your skin to rebuild, not just recover. Retin-A accelerates change. This tells your skin how to repair while that change is happening. This is what I use nightly to keep my skin communicating clearly. Next comes protection, because collagen doesn't matter if your skin keeps breaking down. None of this works if your skin keeps breaking down during the day. This is the Lavienne Perfect Youth EGF Ampoule Sun Cream. This isn't just sun protection. UV exposure breaks down collagen in your skin every single day. It increases inflammation and it quietly reverses regeneration, especially when you are using Retin-A. It protects and supports repair at the same time. Retin-A makes your skin more vulnerable to sunlight. This allows regeneration in your skin to continue safely during the day. This is non-negotiable every morning. Next is maintenance, keeping your skin calm between active nights. The biggest mistake with anti-aging is never letting the skin stabilize. This is the Lavienne Ultra Protection Cream. This is maintenance. After many active ingredients, your skin needs calm, your skin needs balance, and your skin needs its barrier intact so regeneration can continue. Retin-A works best when skin is not constantly inflamed. This is what keeps your skin receptive instead of reactive. This is what I use on non-active nights to keep the skin steady. If anti-aging is your focus, the next step for you is to keep your skin supported during the day. I have a full morning skincare video where I show how I prepare and support my skin for long-term anti-aging support. And if you want the full picture, I've put all my anti-aging videos in one playlist so you can follow everything step by step. Start with whichever one you need most.